Hi, how are you doing? Let's take a journey. First of all, let's relax our bodies. Now, what I would like to do is leave the body for a while to get an alternate point of view. You see, each of us is actually a point of view. We are not material, even though we spend time experiencing a body, and we are not limited by the human perspective. This is what imagination is for. We can escape the realm of the five senses and travel anywhere to any time and place, or to any dimension at any time. So first of all, I'm going into space. As I look at the solar system, I'm amazed by the vast amount of space that we're surrounded by. Did you know that it would take 80,000 years to travel to the nearest star, Alpha Centauri, traveling at the same speed that we travel to the moon with our fastest probes, and there are countless stars. We are talking billions upon billions of stars. Alright, so now let us move to another star cluster inside the Milky Way galaxy. So now we move to the Lyra cluster, and we can see many other clusters surrounding us in the massive cosmos. It really gets interesting when you start to allow yourself to feel the feelings that you have associated with these new perceptions. Now let's imagine we go to another star cluster, and we go and visit the star within Lyra called Vega. And I don't know why, but I just think of that word Vega, and I feel excitement. Okay. Now there are many planets near Vega, and we're going to pick one that looks like it has inhabitants. But first, I'm going to select a spaceship and go in it and land in it, just for fun and to protect myself from the new environment. Okay, we're landing on a beach. It's quite humid. There are rich colors. The air is very clean. I feel like I'm inside of a spa. Wow. Like each breath is cleansing my being. I'm hearing voices in my head, and I can feel there's beings nearby. Their minds are very clear. They communicate telepathically. They said, "Make myself comfortable." They don't want to frighten me with their appearance, so they are just talking to me inside my mind. And they said, once I'm fully adjusted, I can come join them. So right now, I'm walking along the water. Wow. The water is so soft, I can feel it on my skin. Like, I put it on my skin, it just like almost tingles. It's like everything is being healed in my body. I see a boat drifting by. It looks like it's made out of crystal. It's very quiet, beautiful, silky. It's some kind of technology we obviously don't have on Earth, and they're really excited that I'm here. They said I have a lot of waste products in my body, and they said go ahead and lay in the water and just be cleansed. So, okay, I'm laying in the water. They said the earth is full of toxins. Okay, all these pollutions now are coming out. I can see them. Like, I close my eyes and I see it's almost like black dyes coming out of my body. Wow. Also parasites. They said within my mind that they have frequencies that come into the body and just start balancing everything out right away. They said it'll take some time, but it's good. I'm offloading some of this heaviness straight away. And they said, as I've been in these denser earth energies, I just haven't been able to see sometimes when I'm making mistakes and when I'm harming myself. And they said it's understandable, and that the really adventurous, brave ones go to Earth because it's a very harsh environment. Yet, it's also a grand adventure. And they said, if I keep coming back here, I will actually live longer, as my organs will get renewed and adjusted. They advised me to drink some of the pure water. There's some bubbling out of a rock here. Okay, so I'm going to drink some of it. It's really soft water. Wow, it is like the same temperature of my body. It feels like a wonderful renewing lubricant inside me. When I look around this place, I think of Hawaii, yet it is many times more beautiful. Everything is so rich, not only in colors, but everything, smells, sounds, sensations. Take a deep breath with me as a part of you is here with me, and let's drink all this in before we go. I hope you have enjoyed this inner journey. Thank you for visiting Limitless Imagination.